welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this cool toy called Bookeez, and it's like you can make your own storybooks and you can write in it and decorate in all the pages, and then you can bind it all together and then your book is finished. It's so easy to make books, and then here there's some examples of what books you can make. And at the back of the box, it's got some instructions, and it has all the things that it comes with. It comes with some spines, some corner protectors, some sticker sheets, some Bookeez Studio, 40 pages and pre-punched covers, and it's for 7 and up. And it's really cool because you get all these things that you can use, like rulers and stencils and rubbing textures and all these different things that you can decorate your book with. So let's see what's inside. So let's open it up. So here we have the Bookeez unit, and then inside we've got the instruction booklet with what you've got and the steps. And then here you've got the pages. Inside you get 2 sheets of stickers. One sheet has got coloured stickers and one sheet's got plain stickers. And then you've also got 40 pages, book pages here. So you have plain ones, and then you go to lined ones, and then these ones that are like a blue colour, and then it's got a picture frame at the bottom. And then we've got some more lined paper, and then we've got this kind of paper, and then here we've got the covers. So they all match. So these are star ones, and it's got a purple background and it looks really nice and colourful. And then these ones look a bit like ocean waves, and it's all multicoloured and it looks really nice. And then inside we have some spines for the book. We've got some corner protectors for the corner of the book so you can protect it. And then here we have the stencils. I'm going to use these in the book, and we have some rubbing stencils too. I'm going to use this in the book too. And that's everything you get inside the Bookeez unit. Let's make our book now. So here I have my book. It's finished, and I used these covers. I thought they'd look really nice with my story. And the story's all about a girl called Polly, and it's her birthday, and a bunch of things happen to her, and it's really nice, and it was really fun to make it as well. And now we're going to test out the stencils and the rubbing tools. So I left a blank bit on this page. So I'm going to open it, and I'm going to use the stencils first. So I'm going to put this underneath so I can use some stencils. And I have some crayons, and I also have a pencil. I'm going to use the pencil for the stencils. So the paper's there, you can see it right there. I'm going to draw some hearts. It's very easy to use the stencils. And I'm also going to do a star. And it's really easy to make them. See, it turned out really nice. And here I have the rubbing tools. So I have my page, and I'm just going to put it here. It's really easy. And then I'm going to use the crayons, and I'm just going to press it down so I can feel the stencils right here. I'm going to use some of them. Let's start off with this one, and you just have to scribble, and then the stencil will show up. Like there we have it. There's some circles here, and then we'll use the pink for the next one. When you feel a grimy bit, that means the stencil's there. And it works really well, I can see it really clearly. And those were the stencils, and you can use any ones you like, and you can use any colours you like. You don't have to use the same colours, and they all work out really nice. So let's bind the book together. So in the book, the covers already have got hole punched, so we can put them aside, and it's best to do one at a time. So I'm going to lift it. You have to hear 2 clicks and then it's fully up, and then you just slide it in like this. Make sure that it's nicely in, and these lines are just there to make sure that it's in properly. And then you press this down like this, and then it'll go down, and then you lift it up. You take it out and it should have 2 neat holes on it. So now we're going to do that for the rest of the pages. So now we have all the holes, you can see right through them. Let's move on to the binding step. So now we're ready to bind our book. This is the spine. We're going to take the spine. You can pick whatever color you want, and then we're going to slide it in here. Make sure that it's slided in properly, and then you make sure it's nice and neat. These are there. And then you make sure the holes on your book you can see through them, and then you put these through the holes, and then you open it and you put it in, and then you pull them a bit more if you need to, and then you open it, you put these through here, and then you can either slide it or just push it. I'll just push it in here, and then put this up, push it there, and then push it in there, and then you just slide it out, and your book is finished. It looks really professional. And now we're going to put on the corner protectors to protect the book so it doesn't break or anything. And then it's now finished. It looks very nice, and here we have all the pages. It looks really good. These are our stampings and rubbings. And you can make all sorts of different books. You can make storybooks. You can, even if you want, you can make a notebook, and you can make stories of yourself or your favorite pet or anyone or anything. And I hope you enjoyed. It was really fun and easy to make this wonderful book, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope your books look very good, and you can even add some stickers on any pages you like. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you can try this out, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.